Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to update your Epic Games launcher. Okay, when you usually open up your Epic Games and if there is a new update required, they'll usually bring up this pop-up where they ask you to come here and just click on update. And if you don't see that, guys, very easy. All you need to do is come here at the top right, click on your profile icon, okay, and then click on settings. As you can see here, it says update available. Click on settings and then just click on restart and update, okay? And basically what's going to happen, the Epic Games launcher will restart and update once we just click on that update option. And if a pop-up comes on your computer, just click on yes to authorize this update settings. So here we're waiting for this to fully load up, and then I'm just going to press on yes for the Epic Games launcher to make changes to this computer. And as you can see, the Epic Games launcher is currently restarting. So we'll just wait for that. And there we go. The Epic Games launcher is currently starting up. So we'll just wait for this and I'll actually show you that the update has been done or not. So come here at the top right, click on the profile icon. And as you can see, there's no update available option showing, and therefore it is done. Really that easy and simple.